Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get USD in Trust Wallet. Open your Trust Wallet app and unlock it, then tap Receive and search USD to get your address. Verify the network shown matches the network you will use to send funds. Copy the address exactly and paste it into your exchange or wallet sending interface. Double-check the first and last 4 characters before confirming any transfer to avoid costly mistakes. To buy USD inside Trust Wallet, tap Buy or Buy Crypto and select USD as the asset, then pick a payment method like card or bank transfer. Enter the amount you want in dollars and review the network and fee details, since fees can vary by network. Complete any KYC steps required by the provider, then confirm the purchase and wait for the tokens to appear in your wallet. Always verify the recipient address before sending. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos and updates. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers are perfect for meal prep between trades or while researching wallets. They seal tight and simplify lunch prep. I find them handy when I need a quick snack while checking balances. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Swapping to USD in Trust Wallet is easy. Open the swap or DEX screen, choose the token you have and USD as the target, then review the slippage and fee settings. If you receive USD from an exchange or friend, tap Receive, select USD, and copy the exact address for the chosen network. After sending, watch the transaction hash and confirmations on a block explorer to ensure the funds arrive safely into your wallet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.